Hi everyone, my name is Bangaly KABA. I'm really happy to attend to this 2025 edition of Artist-Red Global Conference. I will also thank Cathy Lee for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to present on this topic. So the title is Generative AI meets IoT, empowering RTOS for smart device. So this is the summary I laid down. I will drive you through some of the basics and also the convergence between cloud, generative AI, and artist red. About me, I'm a senior tech lead in Paris, working in Paris. I have been working in multiple verticals, such as banking, aerospace, defense, energy, and transport. So I hold a PhD in computer science. I'm specialized in data mining, and also I'm very active in certification. Earning the certification through the major cloud provider. I'm a golden jacket and a blue jacket. By the way, those are some of my achievements. Let's move to the next. So the concept I was trying to introduce in this talk is to highlight the convergence between cloud, generative AI, and artist red. So here we will see that this synergy of these three fields has led to power intelligent, reactive, and autonomous device, even when they are under tight constraint like power, low power, and limited connectivity. So, as you may know, the smart devices, whether it is phones, sensor, or wearable, they are surrounding us today. Everywhere we can see them. So for them to respond instantly and intelligently, they must combine real-time responsiveness with AI capabilities. We have more and more capabilities. Why not use them to empower those smart devices? RTOS, Real-Time Operating System. It is the software brain that enables devices to respond to events with predictability and speed. It handles time-critical operations like interrupt, sensor feedback, and real-time actuation. So now let's focus on Artist Red. As you might know, Artist Red is a lightweight, open source RTOS optimized for embedded IoT device. Some of the features are their microkernel architecture is very handy for modularity. They also support multi-threading and real-time scheduling. We also have a rich ecosystem with GUI, networking stack, and device driver. On RTOS thread, we have a very active global community and commercial support. So how the cloud comes into pictures? The cloud acts as a powerful backend for learning, monitoring, and improving AI model. Devices rely on it for periodic update and large-scale data processing. And how the generative AI also come in the pictures. Beyond traditional machine learning, generative AI enable machine to create description, alert, code, and recommendation. Not only recommendation, we have more features. Also, we have speech and language output from compact model. Some of the example of this integration, uh, we can have a health monitoring bracelet using RTOS and local voice alert. You have also example like vibration sensor on a machine that generates spoken warning. And ultimately, one more example, we can have a weather assistant that is embedded in rural farming tools. So let's talk now about challenges of AI those embedded devices faces. Uh, First of all, RTOS device often use less than 1 MB RAM. So we are also limited in the size of the model. So the generative AI require compression, and the outcome of those compression is quantized model. For compliance and governance issue, we have to fix data security. So we cannot afford to send data like health, industrial, and location without uh, encrypting them. So one of the example that solve of all of this is a CO2 sensor on artist thread that is warning open the windows without cloud access or privacy risk. So let's see now this hybrid model, cloud plus RTOS. So this strategy is to train in the cloud the model and to deploy on the edge with artist thread. So once the model are pre-trained from the cloud, they can run on artist thread environment. And from artist thread environment, we can use the over-the-air technology to update and refresh AI logic on device. So the artist thread devices can collect feedback, real environment feedback, and send to the cloud for model retraining. And small example is a smart tractor with artist thread sends vibration log, the cloud retrain the model and send back an optimized voice model to alert on anomalies. So this is the case study we have come across. We have we have worked on to bring for this presentation. So it is a classroom air quality monitor using artist thread and generative AI. So what it does, it measures CO2 in real time, runs a voice generating mini model on device, and announces it's time to ventilate the room when thresholds are crossed. This is very impacting because it is ideal for schools, public spaces, or low literacy environment without needing internet. So what are the best practices and tools we can advise here? So having gone through the challenges earlier, we can see that we were limited in memories. We had model that are very big in size. So to cope with all these challenges, we recommend you to use the Artist Red Nano for ultra low memory devices. We recommend also to quantize and train AI model for RTOS compatibility. So one of the best practices also is to use the Artist Red Studio for simulation, testing, and debugging. Those we can automate firm deployment via over-the-air tools and integrate CI/CD pipeline. So this can be summarized in those 4 steps in the diagram below. We start by training the AI model in the cloud. We compress and deploy the artist thread to device and deploy to artist thread devices. Then we collect real-world feedback via artist thread networking stack. And in step 4, we update and retrain model based on field performance. So we are coming to the conclusion. So we have seen that the synergy between generative AI, cloud, and RTOS can lead to powerful, autonomous, reliable devices. So uh, the call and action here is use ArtistRed to build smart, voice-enabled, AI-powered systems that operate independently. Whether in agriculture, health, or industry, this convergence opens the door to powerful new solutions. So thank you for attending this session. It is I have made it to bring the basics on the concept like RTOS, ArtistRed, uh, generative AI, cloud. I hope you can see that combining all those technologies can empower the smart devices that are using ArtistRed. Thank you for attending this session. Feel free to send me any question you would like. I'm available to to reply to your question, and you can reach out to me definitely also in LinkedIn, social media. And once again, thank you for your listening. Bye.